Santa Ana Park. Anytime now. And the race is on. Bondi Babe, Yes Commander to grab the lead. It's now Yes Commander. Bondi Babe on the outside. Fair Command down on the inside. Ready to rumble and see. Asking right. Gusto Ko Hapika is running at the tail of the field. Yes Commander by about 2 lengths, followed by Bondi Babe in second. Asking Rights running in third by the alongside is NC. Gusto Ko Hapika ready to rumble, and Fair Command still running at the tail of the field by about 5 to 6 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, Yes Commander by about 2 lengths, followed by Bondi Babe by Daral. Asking Right. Gusto Ko Hapika NC is running in fifth, ready to rumble, and inside the last 900, Yes Commander followed by Asking Right. Bondi Babe in between runners, and Gusto Ko Hapika NC is running by Daral. And rounding the far turn, Yes Commander pokes his nose by Daral's Asking Right. Bondi Babe racing by Daral, and NC is running in fourth as they race the last 500. Asking Right by Alan Canap. Bondi Babe racing on the outside as they swing for home. It's Asking Right. Bondi Babe is on the outside. Yes Commander. NC on the further outside. Asking Right. Bondi Babe is on the outside, ready to rumble down on the inside. And NC. Asking Right. Bondi Babe is on the outside, ready to rumble. Ready to rumble. Bondi Babe is on the outside. And finally, a long shot, ready to rumble. Bondi Babe, Asking Right, Yes Commander, NC, and Gusto Ko